Hello student, this is NCERT Maths class 10th exercise 3.7 question number 5. In question number 5 it is given that in triangle ABC angle C equals to 3 times of angle B equals to twice of angle A plus B, then find 3 angles of triangle. So it is given that angle C equals to 3 times of angle B, and 3 times of angle B equals to twice of angle A plus angle B, that is 3 times of angle B equals to twice of angle A plus twice of angle B. Hence angle twice of angle A equals to angle B, that is angle A is half of angle B. Now in triangle ABC, we know that sum of three interior angles is 180 degree. Hence angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now angle A is angle B by 2 plus angle B plus angle C is thrice of angle C. So this sum is 180 degree. Now after solving we get 2 plus 3 5, 6 plus 1 7 7, that is angle B plus twice of angle B plus 6 times of angle B equals to 182 into 360, that is 6 plus 3, 9 times of angle B equals to 360. Hence angle B equals to 40 degree. So angle A is half of angle B, that is 20 degree, and angle C is thrice of angle B, so angle C is 180 degree. That is